Miss Jess from the St. Francis Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite slime recipe. These are all the ingredients you will need. We have a bowl, baking soda, saline solution, clear glue, your favorite glitter, a plastic baggie, a 1/2 cup measurement, 1 tablespoon measurement, and a 1/2 tablespoon measurement, plus a spoon. First, you're going to pour some clear glue into a 1/2 cup measurement. Then you pour it into your bowl. Next, you need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, and you're going to pour it into the bowl. Next, you're going to stir it up. Start watching the reaction the baking soda has to the glue, and see how all the baking soda starts to mix in to the glue. And stir until you can't see the baking soda anymore. Then you're going to take your favorite glitter and dump it into the bowl. Super pretty! Now you're going to stir it. The last step is to put saline solution into 1 tablespoon measurement. And dump it into the bowl. This time, you're only going to stir it a little bit, and you can already see the texture starts to change. After a few good stirs, you're going to take your hands and you're going to mix everything together in your hands. And you'll start to feel the change. If you feel like your slime is still too sticky from the glue, go ahead and add a little bit of saline solution. And mix it up with your hands again. With enough saline solution, you'll be able to pick up all the glue from the side of the bowl, along with the glitter, and it will no longer feel sticky in your hands. If you decide that you want more glitter to add, I think I want more glitter in mine, you can go ahead and add some more glitter. Start small and add more, and mix it up again. Once you've added the perfect amount of glitter you like, your slime is complete. And you can go ahead and start molding it however you want. You can break it apart. You can do whatever you want with it. Mine reminds me a lot of a blobfish or a brain. When you are finished playing with the slime, you can put it in a little plastic baggie. Make sure to seal it nice and tight, or put it into a container that can be shut with a lid. Voila, you have your very own slime to play with. I like this recipe because it's very simple, no harsh ingredients, and you get some pretty awesome results. Thanks for watching, everyone.